Just saying. Just saying. Just saying. Chin, you talking shit about a chin? You know what my chin never did, Charlie? Just saying. Chin, you talking shit about a chin? You know what my chin never did, Charlie? Just saying. It is what it is. That it usually is. The ones that look like this, that have the most to say. It is what it is. Just saying. Watch it. Look, she is beauty, she is grace, she is throwing food all over the place. All right. It is what it is. Watch it. She is beauty, she is grace, she is throwing food all over the place. All right. Just saying. I know what fucking happened there. She knows what fucking happened there. I don't come for body, I don't come for looks. You wanna come for me? Just saying. I don't know, am I crazy? Just saying. Here. Just saying. Here. Just saying. Watch it. A pew pew pew. A pew pew pew. Just saying. A pew pew pew. Watch it. Look, two types of people. Crazy. I couldn't let it go. And I said, eat shit, sharmuta. Crazy. Too easy, you know? I couldn't let it go. Wanna come for me though? That's how fucking ugly you are, okay? Some people in this world who thinks you never have to come out talking that shit about people the way you have over and over and over. Look. All right. Chin, you talking shit about a chin? You know what my chin never did, Charlie? A pew pew pew. Chin, you talking shit about a chin? You know what my chin never did, Charlie? Pew pew. I couldn't let it go. It is what it is. Crazy. No, he did not say bonk. Never said bonk. Oh my God! Listen. We know he's watching. Did you make a horny comment? Is that why he had to horny bonk you? That's really funny. I love that he's watching. Hey Evie, we love you, Evie. Come a little harder than that, okay? Look. Come a little harder than that, okay? It is what it is. And just saying, see you next Tuesday. Just saying. Come a little harder than that, okay? Just saying. I couldn't let it go. I couldn't let it go. You wanna come for me though? See you next Tuesday. And just saying. Chin, you talking shit about a chin? You know what my chin never did, Charlie?